Judge Hutton is a great judge because he respects and honors the humanity of every person who comes in that door of the federal courthouse.
A good judge is somebody who listens to people and learns how to respond to what they're saying in a way that's positive and lets them know that they're being heard. And so it motivates me to try and do that every time I'm on the bench.
The U.S. Magistrate Judge sees people when they're in crisis. Judge Hutton does a great job of understanding that stressful circumstance, of understanding the circumstance that the attorney is in, that the family members are in, and that the defendant is in. And he conducts himself in such a professional way and gives people entering this courthouse the assurance that the justice system is a humane system.
I would describe him as patient, very caring.
His sense of humor and his collection of ties is very entertaining.
He started the STEP court team here in Yakima, and as well as started one in the Tri-Cities.
The STEP program is our drug court program here in the Eastern District of Washington. I spent 11 years as a state judge sentencing people to prison, watching the struggles that they had with drug and alcohol addiction, seeing the revolving door of that process that we have. And I always felt that there must be a better way to deal with those problems. My wife and I lost our 20-year-old son to drug addiction, and that personal pain and tragedy, I think, is translated into part of my ability to relate to people who have addiction.
They've been very successful. We've helped a lot of people turn their lives around in the 8 years that Judge Hutton has been on the bench here. I think he's motivated because he genuinely cares about his community. I think he cares about helping individual people make their lives better.
He's also worked very hard in getting what's called a residential reentry center to be located here in Yakima. It's not quite final yet, but we're hoping it will be. A residential reentry center is a halfway house that would help individuals who need something between prison and being released on regular supervision to help get them rehabilitated or reintegrated into the community.
I think he's deserving of this award because he has put in a lot of his own personal time trying to develop options for offenders when they come out of custody.
As a federal magistrate judge, I have wonderful colleagues and staff who make coming to work every day a joy.
He's retiring in January and will be greatly missed.
I thank my wife and my children for the times I've spent, almost 40 years as a lawyer and a judge. It's been wonderful, and I thank everyone.